You know those smooth animations where the camera slides from one object to another and you can see the path it takes? That's the kind of effect that makes clients come back for more. Most tutorials take at least 30 minutes to do this, but I'm going to show you how in under 3 minutes using my Camera3D Toolkit Pro plugin and SpeedFX Pro. The download link is in the description. It's 40% off right now. So let's jump in. Create the background. First, I create a black layer with Ctrl+Y. Then I duplicate it. Next, with SpeedFX Pro, I add a small grid and bring in my background image. After that, I change the blend mode to screen and adjust the opacity to fill the screen. Finally, I group everything together and rename it BG. Make the round portraits. Now, I take my first actor photo and draw a circle around the face. Once I'm happy with it, I simply copy this circle and paste it on all the other photos. Before resizing, I use this plugin button to add a white border around all the photos. Then I shrink them down to about 70 to 80%. To line everything up, I turn on the grid and snap to grid. Once everything looks good, I turn off the grid. Set up the 3D camera. This is where it gets interesting. I select all my photos, open Camera3D Toolkit Pro and click Setup. The plugin automatically creates everything in 3D. Then to add depth, I push the background slightly back and turn on blur. Make the camera follow a path. This is the part that saves you tons of time. First, I go to the start and select the first photo. In the plugin, I click Match so the camera lines up perfectly. Then, I click the second photo and press Target. The smooth movement creates itself automatically. After that, I repeat this for the rest of the photos. In just a few clicks, what would take 30 to 45 minutes by hand is done in 2 minutes. Show the camera path. Next, I select my camera control and click 3D Trace. The path appears instantly. And move it to the bottom layer. I change the color to white, make it thicker, center everything and add zoom. To keep everything center, I use Map, then Target in the plugin. After that, I add a slight zoom out effect. With SpeedFX Pro, the movement smooths out automatically in 1 second. Add the names. Now, for the names, I type the name, select both the text and the actor's photo, then click Match. The name positions itself automatically. I repeat this for each actor and add a simple fade-in effect. If needed, I add a light shadow to make the text pop. Result: when I hit play, the camera glides smoothly from portrait to portrait. The glowing path guides your eye and the names appear exactly where they should. So there you have it, a professional camera follow path in just a few minutes. If you want to save time and deliver better work, Camera3D Toolkit Pro and SpeedFX Pro are what you need. They're 40% off right now, so check the links in the description. Also, leave a comment telling me what feature you want next. I read everything and add what you ask for. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. See you soon